How to determine if your router has a WPS button.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to discuss how to identify if your router has a WPS button. The WPS, or Wi-Fi Protected Setup, is a useful feature that allows you to connect devices to your wireless network without needing to enter the password.
What is a WPS button?
The WPS button is usually a small, marked button or switch on your router. It might have WPS, the Wi-Fi symbol, or two arrows forming a circle as an icon. This button allows for easy connection of any WPS-enabled device to your Wi-Fi network without the need for a password.
Where is the WPS button located?
The WPS button's location varies depending on the router's manufacturer and model. It's typically found on the back or side of the router. In some cases, it may be on the front if the router has a control panel there.
What if I can't find the WPS button?
If you've checked all sides of your router and still can't find the WPS button, it might mean your router doesn't have one. Alternatively, the WPS feature could be accessible via a virtual button within the router's software settings. To find out, you'll need to refer to your router's manual or contact the manufacturer's customer service for assistance.
How to use the WPS button.
Once you've found the WPS button, you can press it to activate the WPS connection mode. Then, on your WPS-enabled device, go to the Wi-Fi settings and select the option to connect via WPS. Your device should automatically connect to your Wi-Fi network. Remember, the WPS mode will only be active for a few minutes. If your device doesn't connect within this period, you'll need to press the WPS button on your router again. And there you have it. We hope this guide has been helpful in identifying whether your router has a WPS button and how to use it. Remember, the WPS function is a useful feature, but it's not always necessary for daily use, as you can still connect devices to your Wi-Fi using the traditional method of entering the network password. Stay connected and see you in the next video.